Hello everyone, welcome back to T2V 2025 channel. Today, we're diving deep into Wan 2.2 to see if we can finally break the limit on video length. We'll be testing if the Wan Video Context Options actually work for standard text-to-video and image-to-video workflows. The big question, can we generate longer videos without the headache of manual stitching? Let's find out. First up, let's look at text-to-video. If you need a refresher on the base Wan 2.2 T2V setup using the ComfyUI nodes, I've linked that tutorial in the description. For this test, we're adding the Wan Video Context Options node. Set your context schedule to static standard and the context overlap to 32. You'll need to connect this to the Wan Video Sampler under Context Options for both the high noise and low noise blocks. Now let's push the limits. In the video encode settings, we're aiming for 301 frames. The results, to be honest, they're a bit of a letdown. While we successfully generated a 301 frame video, there is a noticeable shift in consistency. At each context frame transition, you'll see slight jumps. Some is subtle, you might not notice them at a glance, but they are definitely there and some actually pretty obvious. To make this work effectively, you really need to choose your subjects wisely. It works best with minimal background movement or perpetual motion. Take a look at this 601 frame example. It looks great on the surface, but if you watch the background and the character closely, you'll see the details drift slightly over time. Here's another 601 frame clip. Since the motion is repetitive, you might actually be better off using a standard looping technique instead of forcing a long context window. Now let's try image to video at 305 frames. Again, if you're new to the Wan 2.2 I2V workflow in ComfyUI, check the link in the description. As you can see on the screen, we ran into a major hurdle. Because I2V uses the initial image as the anchor for the first frame, the sampler tries to reset back to that original image every time a new context window starts. This creates a jarring revert effect that makes it unusable for I2V in its current state. So what's the verdict? Wan Video Context Options can technically extend your Wan 2.2 text-to-video clips, but the stitching is still quite obvious. You can minimize this with clever prompting and static backgrounds, but it's not a perfect fix. As for image-to-video, it's a no-go for now due to that first frame reset issue. Hopefully this saves you some rendering time and helps you plan your workflows better. If you found this test helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI research and ComfyUI deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.